Hey there, welcome back to Melt Month, or Grilled Cheese Month, whichever you prefer. Go ahead, argue in the comments. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious avocado Swiss grilled cheese. This is one of my favorite recipes. It's quick, easy, melty, ooey, gooey, delicious, and somewhat nutritious with the avocado. Some good fat in there. For this, we're going to need some olive oil. I'm using the Corto Truly 100% extra virgin olive oil. Good stuff. 1 lime. We won't be using all of it, only about half. 1 good size avocado. This one is about a medium to large Hass avocado, or like 2 smalls. 2 pieces of bread. We're going to be using some white bread today. Swiss cheese. I'm using 2 pieces of an aged Swiss cheese, a little older, a little funkier. Has more of that Swiss flavor. Some chili flake. I'm using a sriracha lime chili flake from Spiceology. Then salt and pepper, a little bit of butter knife, almost knocked everything over, a fork, and a small bowl. Right, first we're going to get our griddle up and running, or if you're using a pan, you want a medium-low to medium heat. So we're going to take our avocado here, place it in here, and just spin. Don't try and force it, just let it go. Our avocado. While it's on the board, easiest way to take it off. Now twist, or not, or you can break it. Grab my small bowl here, take a spoon in between the flesh and the skin, and just scoop out your avocado. Now we have our avocados in our bowl, half a lime. Next, Corto olive oil, about a tablespoon. Nice pinch of sea salt, and black pepper. Let's say 2 pinches of black pepper. Now we're using about a half a teaspoon of Thai lime sriracha from Spiceology. Our trusty fork, and just mash. Alright, not gonna lie, my avocado's a little underripe. Tastes delicious though, but it's not really mashable. Oh well, let's build our sandwich anyway. For this, we have our Swiss cheese. Put that right in the center. Gonna take a little bit of our avocado. Next piece of cheese. Done. Take your bread, give it a nice press it down. Room temp butter, every corner. Okay, let's get this on the griddle now. Alright, missed a few. Fell out. And a lot like our last one, this is going to take 3 to 4 minutes. Put a little more butter on this side now. Alright, let's give her a flip. Beautiful. Look at that. Give it another press down. 3 or 4 minutes, we're going to be done. Wait for it. That is what your grilled cheese should sound like. Crunch. Wait for it. Oh yeah, look at that. Should get put in focus. There we go. You have a delicious avocado Swiss grilled cheese. So good. You got a lot of creaminess from the avocado, that ooey gooiness from that Swiss. It's an aged Swiss, so it's got like some funk to it. You get a little bit of chili, some lime in there, and of course the bread. And it's an avocado, so you can pretend like it's healthy. Give it a try. And if you do, comment below on how it came out for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on our road to 30 grilled cheeses. That was good.